and Daddy's going to put something on the computer. Do you want to help it?
Come on.
You use your computer.
I wanted a pony. I want a pony for Christmas and they won't give me a pony. I want a pony. Okay, okay. Hi. Kaylin, say hippopotamus. Kaylin, if you walk, I'll give you $1 million right now. All you gotta do is walk by yourself. No? How about some chocolate? I'll give you unlimited amount of chocolate. All you gotta do is walk. That's the no, Daddy. Come on, let's upload a video. Come on. Oh, now you want to come up here. Oh, Daddy, of course. We're going to play on the computer. I want to be there. Say bye-bye, everybody.